My video tutorial is about getting rid of the online scam by the site Hofibores.xyz. Hofibores.xyz is a new malicious site that may attack Google Chrome browser and other browsers. Hofibores.xyz basically tries to scare you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by Hofibores.xyz, do not trust or tolerate them. Such pop-ups are absolutely deceptive, so just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start researching your computer in order to detect and eliminate all other infections which could still possibly remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.